is up, you guys? My name is Janabelle, or Jennybelle if you're Dominican, and today's video we are testing out Gabrielle Union's new hair care line, or new-ish because I guess it's a relaunch. And I have 3 products from her line that I tested out today, and if you want to know my thoughts on these products, then just keep watching. But before you do, don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly videos. And yeah, I know you want to see more of this kind of thing. Like, come on, I'm like you. Okay, so we're starting on freshly washed hair as usual. And I might use a small scrunchie. I used the Repairing Deep Conditioning Mask. It's this right here. I'll show you guys what the consistency is. There's a little water in there because I literally just used it, but I'll have my thoughts on the deep conditioner towards the end of the video, along with my thoughts on the styling products. Alright, so I'm doing even smaller sections, and the reason I'm doing that is because I'm only using a spray leave-in conditioner, which for me, they're usually not the most hydrating. I'd rather use spray leave-ins just for, you know, refreshing the hair, you know, on day 3, day 5 hair versus styling with it. That's just my personal preference, and because my hair texture is on the tighter side and it's color treated. So we're gonna start with that, and then I'll show you the next product. Do you guys actually read the label on products, you know, with the directions and all that? I kind of just read it for fun, to be honest, because I don't like, I'm gonna apply this product however is gonna work for my hair, you know? Like, I don't want to just go off of instructions they're basically blanket instructions, you know? They're meant to apply to everyone, but everybody got different curls and everybody got different methods. So it says here that you're just supposed to spray liberally onto towel dried hair and then you don't rinse it out. Cool. It says here that it's meant to detangle and hydrate the hair. Bakuri? Yeah. Bakuri? I don't know. Brazilian bakuri butter and coconut oil. I don't know how y'all feel about coconut oil, but I don't go out of my way to use coconut oil, but if it's like in a product and it works for me, then I won't complain. So the next product I'm actually really excited about. This is the Defining Curl Cream. It's definitely, it's almost a putty in consistency, but it's still a cream. I don't know, it's a weird hybrid. The directions say that this is meant to be cocktail with the leave-in conditioner, so hopefully they work well together. This is where we pause to remind Janabelle to be light-handed with the amount of product that she uses, because I always have a heavy hand when I'm applying creams and gels and stuff like that. It's just so easy, and I want all the hydration. When it comes to styling, sometimes I like to use my 5-row Denman brush. I like using it to distribute product and make sure that, you know, I'm getting all those knots out. My hair gets so tangled. Honestly, after the first application, I don't think I had to do smaller sections. This seems pretty hydrating, but let me not speak too soon, because you really never know if a product works until you've completely styled it and you've dried it and picked it out. That's when you know. That's when you know. That's the final verdict. I swear, every time I style my hair, I get the illest workout, like, or maybe I'm just frail. I don't know. There's also that, because I definitely don't do any physical activity. So I took a little break to order some dinner. My hair is definitely dry. This honestly feels like it's taking forever. I think I applied a little too much product on the right side, so I'm just gonna take my my t-shirt, and just squeeze out any excess. We're almost there, y'all. We're almost there. I feel like I've been doing this forever. So far, I'm really liking the Defining Cream. I feel like it's a very soft hold. I'm kind of surprised they call it a defining cream in the first place. With a defining cream, I'd at least expect, you know, some sort of cast. So I don't know what the hold is gonna be like. I guess there is kind of a cast. It's very, very light. So if you're looking for something that has a stronger hold that'll give you like crisp, you know, perfect curls, I don't think this would be for you unless you plan on pairing it with a stronghold gel. Then, you know, just treat this like a regular, you know, cream styler. I do like how my curls are looking so far versus how they were feeling with just the deep conditioner. Okay, so it's been a while. My hair is mostly dry. I actually didn't plan on air drying, but I ordered food and it was time to eat. A bitch was hungry, so y'all know how that go. I'm still a little damp at the roots, but we're gonna fix that right now. I'm just gonna diffuse. This is an Amica one. I love this one. It gets my hair dry really quick, and I got the diffuser head off Amazon. I'll leave that linked down below. Okay, so these are the results. I love a little extra definition when it comes to my wash and goes. I thought the definition wasn't gonna be crazy just because the cream felt very just emollient in my hair and in my hands, and I don't know, it didn't feel like it was gonna have any actual hold to it, so that's a nice surprise. Since I did use the Denman brush and I did smaller sections, there's a lot more shrinkage than usual. That definitely contributed to the shape of how my hair dried this time. I was having some difficulty, like in the middle of my head, it just wasn't laying right. I would definitely prefer using the defining cream with a regular leave-in conditioner. I don't know, man, it's just spray leave-ins never really do it for me. Unless I'm just refreshing a few curls here and there throughout the week. I don't know if I'd use the defining cream on its own either, just because I just feel that was the leave-in doing its job. The curls are definitely soft because of it. If I would have used it by itself, I think it would have been too crunchy. Going into the leave-in conditioner, like I said, not my preference for styling. If I'm judging it as a styler, I don't think it's something that I would purchase again. If I was buying this with the intent of like a refresher and stuff like that, then maybe. I'm gonna try and use this later in the week and see how that goes for me. I don't think it hydrated my curls as much as I would have liked. There's definitely a little extra frizz. I left the mask for last because I hate it. This mask, I don't like it. Does anybody remember when Gabrielle Union launched her brand the first time? No, just me? Because this is, I guess it's like a relaunch. She had a mask in her line, and I actually enjoyed that one. I remember liking that one, but this one, I don't know what they did with the formula. I don't know what's different about it, but it's just, it's confusing. Because first of all, this product, there's a hair in here, fair warning. If you look at the product head on, it looks like it's gonna be this, you know, thick, slippy kind of conditioner, but the consistency is kind of like a paste. So I'm like trying to get this through my hair and there's like no slip. It's not distributing very easily. And then I left it in my hair for 10-15 minutes in the shower. You know, I was shaving, I was scrub-a-dub-dubbing, and it wasn't a pleasant experience. You know, detangling was a nightmare. When I detangle, I always do it in the shower, and I split my hair into 4 sections. After the first section, y'all, I gave up. I had to mix in my Mielle Organics pomegranate conditioner because that stuff detangles my hair like chef's kiss. Like, it's so easily. No problems, no issues. I put it in my hair and it just melts all my knots away. And that's how I ended up detangling the rest of my hair. Honestly, based off of that alone, I just won't repurchase this because I don't like things to be difficult. Like, if I'm purchasing something to use in my hair, what do you mean you can't make detangling easier? Okay, like, it's already hard enough. I don't need a conditioner to make things even harder for me. If I had to choose, I'd definitely go with the defining cream, and paired with a good leave-in conditioner, like maybe my pattern leave-in conditioner, that would maybe be a good mix. I don't know. I'm gonna try that one of these weeks. So far, that's the only thing that I would recommend from the products that I've used. I'll update the description box the more I use the leave-in conditioner, and I'll let you guys know if I like it. Let me know down below if you plan on testing out this line. It's available on Amazon, and I'll have everything linked down below in case you want to check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.